go.
Yeah.
See that one as well on the other side. So just passing.
Is this the longest airport transport you've ever done?
Come on, John.
They'll think you've broken down.
Certainly the best.
Oh, this is one of the transfer, to be honest, because we really don't see this behavior.
No.
For sure.
Right.
Yeah.
You'll go years before you see another one of these, right?
Yeah.
Can you just... Sorry, that's fine, that's fine. That's fine.
Some African noise.
Yeah, that's great. That's brilliant noise, isn't it?
Oh, that's crazy.
Very little left of that carcass yet. So what are these elephants complaining about?
So now they know that the dogs are here feeding onto
Yeah.
something. So this is to try and protect their young ones, as well as to double check.
Oh, look.
See? So,
Is that a warning to the dogs?
exactly, because
say,
of the babies as well. The
"Don't
baby
come near us."
Exactly.
So it's not that they're concerned about what's been
No,
killed.
no, as well as to protect
They're just
their
saying,
babies. Mhm.
we are big and don't... Oh,
Exactly. Exactly. See, now they are now gathering families and families. See how they feed now. It's about to finish.
Yeah. There's not much left.
Not much left.
That's pretty efficient, isn't it? And then these guys will be straight in, right?
Yeah.
Where's the hyena though?
They come
So
at
mostly
night.
our hyenas, we do see them at night.
Would they not come for this?
During the day?
Yeah.
No.
No, they
but-
wouldn't.
Yeah, because we don't have much hyenas.
Oh, I
and
see.
Being not lots of them, we tend to see them at night. And it's
Okay.
not that all night to see them. Sometimes we don't see them once in a while, once in a week. The animals that can come and attack them like during the day would be the lions, but unfortunately we don't have any lion close by. Yeah. The vultures still
two in the
come,
tree there.
yeah. So the elephant, this is to try and protect their babies now.
Yeah.
Yes. So the lions, if there were lions around, they would come and steal and
Definitely
kill.
they would have come and
Or leopards? Would leopards?
leopards is too many dogs.
Too many dogs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Leopards, yeah.
Yeah.
Unless lions being the king of the jungle.
Yes.
They can
Have what they want.
exactly.
Oh, the elephant's coming back.
Oh yes, videos will be great. Let's see.
Why?
drone video. They're not even bothered, huh? Dogs.
No, they haven't even
Very
looked up.
relaxed.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like your point is? God. Where are those dogs going? Look at those two.
These two, they might go sometimes for the water.
The dogs?
Yeah, they might go to have some water because water is this direction.
Okay.
Yeah.
Or they're just checking out the elephant.
Also, I'm checking into the elephant as well. Because
This has been stripped. Look at it.
see going towards the elephant.
Yeah.
Wow. Gosh, that's brave considering how much shouting they've been doing.
This is a young boy elephant here. This is a young boy.
These dogs are filthy in all the... It's like, I warned you. Look, there's just a skin now, look.
Look at that. See, the dog is still going towards it.
Yeah.
Sometimes dogs, they are too prey for it. They
Yeah.
can prey even to the elephants as well.
I think that was a lesson learned.
Mm-hmm.
Tail between the legs. there, look.
Exactly.
Dust go. There we go, lovely. Oh, you've got the whole, you've got the face as well in there, look.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, goodness.
See the dogs trying to chase an elephant away.
Why are they picking a fight? People are leaving the scene of the crime now.
Mm-hmm.
It's not enough to keep them there.
More families coming of elephant, So now they they seemed to go now for water, following the elephant.
Right.
After some water, that's when they go to the young ones.
There's nothing left.
Yeah, it's just skin left, really, isn't it?
Nothing left much. See now
Oh yes,
where
they're heading off.
heading.
But they're following the elephants directly. That's extraordinary. Look, they're just not afraid.
No. They know that they can run so fast, and
Yes.
their mission is to go and drink water there.
Look, they're going to get shouted at again.
Oh, close family.
Oh! Good. Perfect.
You have elephants complaining there.
Yeah. Look, it's just skin, isn't it? Look.
Oh yeah. See how they can eat.
Yeah.
More families is still coming, as you can see, all on those bushes there. More and more and
Yes.
more elephants coming.
So is it quite unusual to hear so many elephants shouting so much, trumpeting like that?
It's unusual.
Yeah.
Just because of the dogs.
Yes.
Yeah, and of course.
But it's so the elephants that hear it will think, okay, something's happening.
Exactly.
It's not
They
every
can
day.
Yes, exactly. Elephant, they can hear to say there's something happening there, and this is why each and everyone who is like trying to come and check what is happening there, you know, you can see them from the distance. They're just relaxing, but whenever they hear that kind of noise, they tend to be so fast to try and witness and check
Yes.
what is happening there.
Goodness me.